Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy. Case Study by Skilled MBA Cascade. Engineering's foundation is rooted in a commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Established with core values emphasizing environmental stewardship, the company has consistently integrated these principles into its operations. This dedication has positioned Cascade as a leader in the B Corporation movement, setting benchmarks for sustainable business practices and demonstrating the viability of balancing purpose with profit. Cascade Engineering's foundation is rooted in a revolutionary vision of serving multiple stakeholders while maintaining profitability. Established in 1973 by Fred Keller with Rs 35 lakhs and 6 employees, the company focused on plastic injection-molded parts for the automotive industry. From the start, it embraced the triple bottom line approach, rejecting the shareholder primacy model. Founded in 1973 by Fred P. Keller, Cascade Engineering started with a vision to serve multiple stakeholders while ensuring profitability. With Rs 35 lakhs and 6 employees, it began manufacturing plastic injection-molded parts for the automotive industry. Cascade embraced the triple bottom line approach, rejecting the shareholder primacy model prevalent in American business. Cascade Engineering's triple bottom line framework integrates social equity, environmental stewardship, and economic sustainability. Initiatives include welfare-to-career programs, zero-waste manufacturing, and financial discipline. This holistic approach ensures business continuity while benefiting marginalized communities and the environment, embedding these values into its corporate DNA long before they became mainstream. In 2010, Cascade Engineering became a B Corporation pioneer, scoring 84 points, surpassing the 80-point requirement. This certification highlighted their commitment to governance transparency, environmental stewardship, and community engagement. By 2022, they improved their B Impact score to 91.8, showcasing ongoing advancements in sustainable practices within carbon-intensive industries. Cascade's innovative sustainability initiatives include a closed-loop recycling system diverting over 90,000 kilograms of plastic waste annually. Their Hydrate Biosand water filter offers clean water to over 40 developing communities. On-site solar generation has cut carbon emissions by 15% and reduced operational costs by Rs 1.2 crore annually. Cascade's social innovation leadership is evident in its welfare-to-career program, hiring 30% of its workforce inclusively. All employees undergo anti-racism training, positioning Cascade as a leader in corporate diversity. Annually, Rs 8.4 crore is invested in community development, reinforcing Cascade's commitment to social enterprises in operational regions. Christina Keller, Chief Executive Officer since 2018, has upheld Cascade's values amidst global competition. With a Master of Business Administration from Cornell and experience at Accenture, she led the Triple Quest division, focusing on sustainable products. Her leadership emphasizes technological innovation and global partnerships, ensuring Cascade's sustainability ethos remains central. In 2022, Cascade divested CK Technologies to Plastic Omnium for Rs 675 crore, followed by selling its Hungarian automotive unit for Rs 210 crore in early 2023. This generated over Rs 800 crore for reinvestment. These strategic moves mark a pivotal restructuring phase, positioning Cascade to explore new opportunities while adhering to its foundational values. Christina Keller must decide how Cascade will utilize its newly available capital. Options include market expansion, creating a mission-aligned venture fund, investing in green infrastructure, or returning capital to shareholders. Each choice carries implications for growth, innovation, and adherence to Cascade's core values. Market expansion involves acquiring businesses in sustainable sectors, boosting growth but risking mission dilution. A mission-aligned venture fund invests in sustainability startups, balancing financial returns with innovation. Green infrastructure development focuses on renewable energy and recycling technology. Returning capital to shareholders satisfies short-term financial goals but may limit future growth. Comparative strategy analysis reveals distinct trade-offs. Market expansion offers profit potential but risks mission dilution. A mission-aligned venture fund balances financial returns with innovation. Green infrastructure development supports sustainability, but involves high complexity. Returning capital satisfies short-term expectations, but limits growth. Each option requires careful consideration of profit potential, mission alignment, and implementation complexity. External pressures include rising shareholder expectations, competition from conventional manufacturers, regulatory uncertainty, and supply chain disruptions. Internally, there's a legacy of purpose-driven leadership, employee expectations for mission focus, B Corporation recertification, and long-term brand positioning as a sustainability leader. These forces create tension between short-term profitability and long-term mission fulfillment. Adopting a hybrid approach, Cascade should maintain a triple bottom-line focus, allocating 40% to green infrastructure and 35% to mission-aligned ventures. Selective market expansion receives 20%, while 5% is for shareholder returns. This strategy strengthens sustainability leadership and ensures financial returns, aligning with long-term brand positioning. Thank You and Cascade's 50-year legacy in purpose-driven business serves as both a foundation and a constraint for future strategies. Successful sustainability leaders balance stakeholder demands while upholding core values. Sustainable business models can achieve competitive returns and foster positive social and environmental impacts.